Every single day, moms are looking around for ways to make money while raising kids. Hi, I'm Erica Lane, founder of Mom's Business School, and I would like to welcome you and invite you to participate in this exciting educational opportunity, as well as a great opportunity to network with other moms that are working to build high five and even six-figure incomes. At Mom's Business School, we have tons of resources to help you make your business dreams, as well as your dreams of raising a family at the same time, a reality. It doesn't matter what your business idea is, or maybe you don't even have a business idea yet, but whatever it is, we are here to help you to take that idea from a little seed to actual reality. Our goal is to help you build a high five, even six-figure income that can support your family, and to help you do this within the time realities of motherhood. What do I mean by that? Quite simply, we're going to show you how to create a full-time income in a part-time schedule. You know what I mean, between the times that the kids are at school and they come home, or even at nap time. So you will be surprised to find that each of our educational modules are nice and bite-sized. You can take them with you, you can listen to them, you can watch them while you're in the carpool lane, you can consume them while your child is taking a nap. It doesn't matter what your situation is, you can always find time to use our material to grow a fabulous business. I even know of one mom that takes halftime during football games to go and listen to the audio. She just jumps into her car, pulls out a workbook, and listens to the audio, and continues to build her business in a time frame that works for her. So that is the goal of Mom's Business School, is to honestly help you do something phenomenal. Because let's face it, you're not going to get these years back with your kids. You don't want to miss one precious moment. And if we can be a part of it, if you allow us to be a part of it, we will be so happy to serve you and help you reach your dreams. Again, I'm Erica Lane with Mom's Business School. Have a fabulous, fabulous day.